Studio, if you're going to import the data set, so the R will ask you that if would you like to download the different packages to read that data. So you have to install those packages. So just click and provide the permission to R to read that data, and R will install those packages, and after that you will be able to read, R will be able to read the data. So at the moment I'm going to import the data set. Click here, import data, and what kind of file or extension file or data do you have? You can just choose from. I have Excel, so from Excel you can choose browse. You can find the data where it is located in your computer, right? So browse. My data is on desktop, and after that here and here and here. So my file name is data. I'm going to import it, right? The data it's shown here, like how many household, year, etc, right? It's import. So my data is already imported in R. So after that, to run analysis, we have to attach data. We have to remember, we have to attach this file to R. So I'm going to attach this file. Attach. For that we have to write that command. It's here, attach. Look, when I just write attach here, attach, and after that you have to mention the file name. What was the file name? My file name was data. So the file name is here, data, and after that just click enter. So if there is no error, so it means my file is attached. Look, my first command was from library. I read my library, it's read Excel. This one is the source, and after that view data, and now my data is attached. So if you wanna see the summary of data, you can just click summary, and after that you just give the file name data and enter. So it will show you the summary of your data. What kind of data do you have? Minimum, first, quartile, median, mean, third quartile, maximum, minimum, and etc. So you will have the whole summary of your data in that. So for now it's all this. In the next video I'm going to talk about the regression analysis, so please keep follow up. Take care, bye bye.